Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, it is a special day because tomorrow we're having our second official car meet with no other but Jake Schnatter. He actually came down from Idaho for another sponsor build on his car, and we figured, wow, he's down here to actually host a car meet here in the Sacramento area. So I'm super excited. For those of you guys who saw my last video, it was pretty much a very short notice. I announced that I'm having a car meet tomorrow. So long story short, I have so much prep work to do before the event tomorrow. Unfortunately, Jonathan is usually the one that helps me with this stuff. He has some personal things to take care of. So unfortunately, it is just me here today that's gonna be getting ready for this car meet tomorrow. I have so much things to knock out. So without further ado, let's first head down to Walmart, get a few supplies that we need to make sure before the stores close. And then we gotta get back here and grind out the next few hours of getting this place ready for the car meet. Now the E90 M3 is freshly washed, so we're gonna be taking the daily to get all the stuff we need. All right guys, just made it back with everything right over here, and I also got a healthy snack right over here because it's gonna be a long night. I gotta make sure I'm properly juiced up. Now before going full grind mode, let's go and turn on some tunes for some motivation because it is super hot out right now. We got so much to do. Here at the second shop, guys, let's go ahead and move the F81 M3 off to the side so we can take this forklift. Those are also the seats we're giving away, guys. Those of you guys who don't know, at this car meet, we're giving away a $250 gift card, but at the same time, we're actually giving away these seats to one of you guys, the viewers. We're shipping this anywhere in the United States completely for free. So you can literally win these seats and ship to your house for free. Entry is free. All you gotta do to enter for these seats, click on this post on Instagram, like it, comment, follow Jake, follow me, follow Natty Auto Parts. You guys are automatically entered to win Jake's seats because we went ahead and upgraded his. If you guys want to check out that video, make sure to check out Jake's video on his YouTube channel. But yeah, these are his old seats, and I decided instead of reselling at Natty Auto Parts, I want to give it to one of you guys because this is one of the sickest mods you can do to any E92 M3 or honestly any BMW that's not an F80. So anything older than an F82, that is the sickest seats you can put in it. Let's go ahead and move out all this stuff out of the way so we can get this forklift out, put in the E91 M3 for the night, so you can pull out these two bad boys first thing tomorrow morning. 8 p.m. the day before the car meet, guys. Super excited. Honestly, I am so stoked for this event. I have a feeling it's gonna be absolutely insane. This entire street, all the way down there, and also all the way down there. So I think it's gonna be literally insane. And for the first couple of you guys that get here early, you're parking right next to the shop. I have a feeling this is gonna be an event for the books, and I'm just super stoked for it. So guys, I actually got everything I wanted to get done for tonight done, other than getting the M4 cleaned up. It is getting a little bit dark. I think by the time I get the M4 in here, start wiping it down, it's gonna be a little too dark for that, and I'm not gonna be able to clean it properly. So I think first thing tomorrow, we're gonna get here 6, 7 a.m., get the car cleaned up, get it in the shop, chilling right here, get the booth set up, the donuts, all that good stuff. So we are officially ready for tomorrow morning. We're showcasing some of our engines. We got the seat giveaway. I'm moving up to the front. I do need to print out something for that. I'll probably do that right now. So everyone that shows up knows how to enter for those seats. And then I just gotta get the other two wagons from the other shop, and then Jake's gonna be pulling up, and then a bunch of other people. So super stoked. I'll catch you guys in the morning. I gotta get my rest. It's gonna be a long and fun morning tomorrow. All right, guys, 8:15. Meet starts in about 15 minutes. We have the cars chilling right here. We have the F81 M3, the E91 M3. This thing is almost ready for Bimmer invasion. I say almost because it needs a few panels, as you guys can see. But hopefully in about 45 minutes, hopefully the donuts will be here, and then also Jake and the rest of the crew, and it'll be pretty sick because it's our second official meet. All right, guys, this is pre-car meet. 45 minutes before the car meet, and we're already pretty much booked out right here. So it's gonna get pretty crazy here, I have a feeling, but it's gonna be pretty sick. The turnout is literally insane. I don't know if you guys see all the people right now. It's literally insane. All right, guys, there's a car that caught my eyes in particular because you guys know I'm building an F81 M3. And if you guys check out this wagon, it's a factory M Sport, but he put a full F80 interior in here, and even the rear seats is fully converted. So check that out. I am honestly geeking right now. And if you guys check out this interior, full F80 interior, I need this done before Bimmer invasion. So appreciate you, bro.
For sure, got
it
you.
Needs to get done. Guys, we are literally way down there. The shop is all the way down there. And we got cars parked literally in every alley. I think it's safe to say about 200, 250 cars, maybe more. Kind of crazy. You're good. Are you good on your wheels? No, stop. Go straight.
Just stay straight. Stay straight. Stay straight. Stay straight.
You're good. All right, hard turn.
Hell yeah, 2 series for the win, brother.
Thanks, bro, for coming out, dude.
If it wasn't a manual, bro.
I know, right?
If it was automatic, he would have never got out of here.
Oh, I appreciate it, brother. Thanks for coming out. All right. Hey, guys. First off, thank you, everyone. What's going on? I honestly don't have a microphone. I didn't really have this thing planned out exactly. Didn't think there's gonna be so much of you guys here today. So first off, thank you all for coming. Second thing, again, thank you, Jake, for making it down here. A lot of you guys know him, obviously. So just been a crazy, honestly, meet in general. Okay, I'm gonna be announcing the winner. I have a feeling some of you guys are not here because a lot of you guys dipped out. So I'm gonna give every ticket about 30 seconds. If you don't come up, I'm moving on to the next name. Okay, let's actually do three giveaways because I don't want to just do one. So we're gonna do a 50-50 and 250. Fun time here. So, first ticket for a $50 gift card to Natty Auto Parts ends in 755. Anyone have that? What number? 9755. Well, that guy could have got gas money, but it is what it is. So, next ticket for a $50 gift card ends in 736. No? Winner? Alright, bro. God bless, dude. Alright. Again, I didn't really plan this out exactly. So, you have an Instagram real quick?
Yeah.
Alright, hit me up on Instagram. You should actually take both of these. I'm going to give these both to you. DM me on Instagram and we'll get you that gift card sent over.
Alright,
I appreciate you, bro. Thank you. Thanks for coming out. Hey, Jake, you think you're louder? You're gonna announce the 250, bro. Come here. No, you're doing the 250, bro. Come here.
Dude, I didn't think giving away money would be so hard.
Just nobody wants 50 bucks, right?
If I say this and nobody's
No. I'm gonna do the next 50.
Okay.
We have to get a 50. All right. So 9710. Right here. God bless. 9710.
710, yeah.
Okay. Say the phone number. All right. Jake's phone, the last one here.
Okay.
Give
Make sure that was good.
Same one. Okay, take both of them and DM me on Instagram.
That's right one?
I do. Thank you, bro. Okay. You ready?
Alright.
Alright.
So you just start here, 737?
9737.
So 9737.
$250 gift card.
Right there? Is that you?
I think so.
9737?
That's 03499737.
That's
you,
it.
bro.
No shot.
Congratulations, bro. Yeah, okay, so keep both of those. And then DM us on Instagram. With a picture of both of those. Alright, bro, appreciate you for coming out. Thank you. And good morning, guys. We are back with the F81 M3. It has been a rough few weeks. I'm not gonna lie, guys. Lack of sleep has been definitely hitting me. For those guys who don't know, I don't just also do YouTube videos and social media. I run a business named Natty Auto Parts, and I've been having a super lack of sleep, balancing the business, the family, and getting this YouTube stuff together, but trying to also get it for Bimmer Invasion. That being said, this is Saturday right now. It's 6 a.m. and we're gonna be trying to knock out as much more things as possible because we gotta get this thing coated and sorted before actually taking it over to the body shop. And for those of you guys who follow me on Instagram, you guys would have noticed that I actually picked up the bumpers finally. So I actually have the bumper brackets for the F80 and the F30, and we're gonna convert it to an F81 bumper bracket. The quarter panels, we do have the F80 quarter panels at the other shop as well. And the last thing that I needed to source was a factory rear bumper because the one that was on my car was an M Sport, so I sold that. Finally got a factory F30 bumper that we're gonna be cutting in half, and a factory F80 bumper. Has to be F80, not F82, that we're also gonna be cutting in half. So that being said, finally getting all the pieces together. The only thing I'm really missing right now is a passenger fender, but we have everything else. Let me show you guys some of the goodies that we got. So coming over here, guys, is boxes and boxes of parts. It's literally insane. We're gonna be doing a truck build here on Instagram pretty soon and on YouTube, but primarily I wanted to focus on Bimmer Invasion, and that is gonna be the F81. We have some Venturi parts from Kies Motorsports. We got some more carbon bits from Kies Motorsports. We have a bunch of cooler upgrades from Kies Motorsports. We got some more carbon from Kies Motorsports, and we also have this beautiful, beautiful GTS hood that I put on literally any F8X that I've ever gotten in the past from none other but Kies Motorsports. Huge shout out to them. I absolutely love them. They are literally going to be making this thing look like an absolute beast from the get-go, which I'm super excited about. I have a stock M4 hood at the other shop, but I was like, you know what? If we can get a GTS hood from the get-go on this car, I think it'll look super sick, especially a Bimmer Invasion. If you guys actually look at this engine bay, we already did the MST intakes from Kies Motorsports and the charge pipe. Again, links to everything that I have on this build is going to be down in the description. Make sure to check them out. And for those of you guys who are actually familiar with the S55 platform, you guys would notice there's a little piece there that don't typically come on S55. And that's because this actually came off of the M4 CS that I had a while back, and I decided to keep it because it looks super sick. It mounts like factory. It's an original factory part number. And basically the point of this is that when you actually put the OEM CS hood, or in this case, our aftermarket GTS hood or CS hood, the air actually gets routed to the intake. So that is pretty sick. I'm literally paying attention to all the attention to details on this car, and I'm just super excited for it. Speaking of attention to detail, I don't want to go down to BMW Invasion without all my functions working. So we finally actually got the wheel level sensors. We actually need these to properly calibrate the headlight, our cruise control, and a bunch of other things. So before putting on anything major on this car, let's go ahead and put those on because Nick is doing a bunch of coating right now, and it would be nice to get everything calibrated while everything's hooked up. So let's go ahead and jack up the car, take off the wheels, install the level sensors. Hopefully we have all the hardware to do so. And guys, just like that, guys, we have the rear, I don't know if you guys can see it, the rear level sensor hooked up right in there. So we have that connected, hooked up. So now you have both speed sensors on the car. So you should be able to calibrate the headlights right now and make sure cruise control and everything's working. We're actually driving down to Bimmer Invasion, which is 7 hours away. I also adjusted this dust shield because it was scraping a little bit. So we knocked out 2 birds right there. And the last thing is to put on our new wheels. So we're not gonna be able to put the CS wheels in the rears just yet, just because the quarter panels have not been converted yet. But at least you can put on these wheels for now. now. The two fronts are the CS ones, which eventually the whole set's gonna look something like that, which looks pretty crazy. But in the meantime, until we get the quarter panels done, which I kind of have a special surprise for you guys, because the guest that's gonna be doing the quarter panels on this car is somebody that came in the past to do a quarter panel on one of my other cars, and let's just say you guys loved him and the work that he does, and that's the kind of quality work I want on this wagon. Everything's happening in such a short time frame. Fully with all the people that are around me in my life, they're able to help me out and make sure that this thing is gonna be ready, because honestly guys, I didn't realize in the last month how many little things need to get buttoned up together properly work. So now that the wheel sensors are in the car right now, let's go ahead and knock out a few other things in the engine bay. The headlights are loosely here just because we have to do a few other things. The headlights are turning on now, which is great, but not fully functional, so we still have to get a few other things sorted. Nick's on the phone with me right now, trying to, you know, do the magic there. For the meantime, guys, let's go ahead and install the hood latch cable. I didn't actually have the hood latch cable when I had this radiator support, and now that I do, I want to get that installed, because once we actually install the hood, close it, no latch cables, it'll be an absolute nightmare. So let's go ahead and get this thing installed right now, just so we have one more thing that we have knocked out.